If you have that problem that your now bar is not visible on your lock screen in the Samsung A07, let me quickly show you how you can actually fix that. So all you have to do is just to go for the settings. You will start probably from this screen. Now you have to go for the notifications and you have to go for the lock screen notifications. First of all, just make sure that you are gonna select option with lock screen notifications so that you're gonna turn them on, and select cards. And also make sure that this specific application that you are using in the now bar is also enabled. So for example, if you are using clock or for example Google Maps, you have to make sure that those applications actually get permission into the lock screen notifications. And now you have to also make sure that the now bar is turned on. So we can actually find it by going to the lock screen, now bar, and here just make sure that it is turned on here and it's showing you the current mode. So now it will be visible just over here when you just unlock your phone. Take a look. There we go. And also it will be visible in the left upper corner on the status bar, and you can just click on this to expand.